Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make baklava dough, an easy guide for a delicious dessert. First, gather your ingredients. You will need 4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of warm water, 1/4 cup of olive oil, and a pinch of salt. Also, have 1 stick of unsalted butter, melted, ready for later steps. Prepare a clean, spacious work surface for kneading. Now, let's get our hands dirty. In a large bowl, combine the 4 cups of all-purpose flour with the pinch of salt. Gradually pour in the 1 cup of warm water and 1/4 cup of olive oil, mixing until a shaggy dough forms. Transfer the dough to a lightly floured surface and knead it for about 10 to 15 minutes until it becomes smooth, elastic, and slightly firm to the touch. After kneading, it's crucial to let your dough rest. Cover the dough with plastic wrap and allow it to sit at room temperature for at least 30 minutes. This resting period is vital as it relaxes the gluten, making the dough much easier to roll out later. Once rested, divide the dough into 24 equal pieces, shaping each one into a small, smooth ball. This ensures uniform baklava layers. Now for the most delicate part, rolling the dough. Lightly flour your work surface and rolling pin. Take 1 dough ball and roll it out into an incredibly thin, translucent sheet. The goal is to achieve a diameter of about 15 to 18 inches. Use a generous amount of cornstarch to prevent sticking and help you roll the dough as thin as possible, almost paper-like. This creates those signature flaky layers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.